Hi guys, and welcome to another VGJ Felix Gigabyte P35W laptop review and test. And today is a sound check. I've had, I would say, some hit and miss experiences with the sound so far. I'm trying to establish what might possibly be right or wrong with it. So I'm going to play some music on the laptop, but first I'm going to use my mobile phone as a control, just to give you an indication of what the sound is like because of the camera's microphone and how good the quality is. So this is a Samsung Galaxy S4, has a fairly loud speaker for a mobile phone, but obviously it does sound quite tinny with it being a mobile phone. So now let's listen to the laptop. This is at 100% volume at the moment, and this is what it sounds like. So two things to note here from my opinion is that first of all the volume isn't much higher, if higher at all, compared to the Samsung Galaxy S4, and the sound is odd to me. It sounds muffled, almost as if the music is being played underwater. Now the speakers are down here on the underside of the laptop here, and I don't know if it's because the sound is being projected down into the desk or something. I'll take it off the desk and see if it's because the sound is vibrating through the desk. It still doesn't sound right. It doesn't sound any different, to be honest. I'm going to pause that now, and I will just use my other laptop at the back. Again, this doesn't have particularly loud speakers, but it does sound a little different. And I would say that the sound output is probably about the same volume, but it does sound a little clearer. Again, not brilliant because they are laptop speakers. Now, as I was doing some investigation, I happened across this little gadget in the sound area of the laptop. So if you double click on the speakers and then click on Dolby, there is this Dolby button. And now it does have a sticker on the laptop to say that it does have Dolby Home Theatre. I'm not entirely sure how this works. I don't know if you're supposed to plug it into a speaker system or what, but I decided to try it out, and this is what it has. This is the impact it has on the speakers. So I'm going to play it, first of all, without these enhancements, and you will be able to tell the difference. So I'm going to turn it on now. And off again. And then on again. So it increases the volume by about 200%, but it also emphasises this feeling of a bit too much bass, as if everything is a little muffled. I may need to investigate the software aspects of this, but I have read, I think on somebody else's laptop review, that they had to actually undo the chassis at the bottom and maybe remove some glue or something from the speaker, which is something that I'm not keen on doing, but I will continue to do more research, and if you do know anything yourselves about this, please do give me some feedback. But from my point of view, the speakers don't sound that good. Again, you may not be able to tell so much on the camera, but I just thought you might find that interesting, as with everything else I'm experiencing with the laptop. Awesome theme, obviously, so thanks for watching this latest Gigabyte review. If you've got any questions, please do ask, and keep watching to find out what happens next. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.